Hello, we're going to learn how to make Google Slides for our project today. So we need to first start off in our Google Drive, which I'm already in, drive.google.com, and I'm in my MVLA drive. So from here, we're going to go ahead and click on the New button and scroll down to Google Slides and click on that. That's going to pull us up a new slide deck. We're going to need more than just one slide, which is what this starts with, but we'll go ahead and start with this slide and make sure that we understand what our first slide is for. And this will be our title slide. So title of project is what you would type in here, whether it be solar energy or nuclear energy, et cetera, et cetera. And it might be nice to also add a picture. It is pretty simple to add pictures into Google Slides. What we need to do is open up a new tab. So I'm going to go up here to my tab bar and click on this little one, which will open up a new tab for us. And I'll type in the name of my project. And then I'm going to click on images so I can see what pictures come up under this title. I might just scroll through and see what types of images there are. And I kind of dig in this one. It's a little symbolic. So I'm going to open that. And I'm going to do a right click on my mouse and go copy image. And then I'm going to go back to my slides. And I'm going to do a right click again on my mouse and click paste. Or I can go over to edit and click paste. And you'll see I have a little overlap between my title and my picture. So I want to click on the picture, hold the click, and move it. And I'll do the same with my project. I'm going to click on the outer edge of the box, hold it, and I'll drag it up a little bit. And I can reshape the picture by clicking on the corner, holding the click, and stretching it out so I can make the size of the image fit how I would like it to be. So we got our title page set. We're going to go ahead and insert our next slide. And we can do that by going over to slide at the menu here, clicking on that, and then clicking on new slide. And a new slide will appear. From here, we will need to type in the title of the slide, which could be what your research question was, or you could summarize your research question. Maybe your first research question is, what is a photovoltaic cell? And then for here, we would type in the information that we received as we did our research. I want this to be in bullet points, so it's nice and user-friendly. So I'm going to go over to More, click on More, and you can see I have 3 little dots with lines. I'm going to click on that, and that'll give me a bulleted list. So every time I click Enter, I have another bullet coming down. One of the requirements for this project is that you have a picture on every slide that matches the topic of that slide. So I'm going to actually need to shrink this text box a little bit by clicking this outer edge here, holding the click, and shortening it. And then I need to go over to my tab and type in something that has to do with the information on that particular slide. So I'm going to type in photovoltaic cell. I'm going to go to images again, and I need to scroll through here to find an image that matches my topic, and it's also something that I'll be able to explain. And I might need to click through a couple of images for me to decide which one I would like to place. I think I want this one. It has to do with people putting photovoltaics on their homes for solar energy for their heating and cooling and electricity. So again, I'm going to go back to my Google Slides. I can either do a right click and paste it, or I can go up to Edit and Paste. And there it goes. I need to go ahead and make this a little larger. I could play with that if I wanted to. But from here, I'm going to go ahead and enter a new slide. Slide new. And I'll continue to do each of these slides. In fact, I'll put 5 slides on here, because we have 5 research questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Each slide will be for each of your research questions. It needs to include a title for the slide, the information you researched, and a picture. And then your very last slide, I'm going to enter one more slide. This should be the end. Any questions? Some slide that just brings a conclusion to this whole presentation of yours. When you're done with this, you're going to go ahead and click share and share this project with your teacher. Put your title put your name and title into this, and you're ready to go. So good luck, have fun on your Google Slides, and enjoy the day.